everything all right here, Luke?
Old Ben, is that you?
Yes, it's me. Wait, what? What'd you call me?
How'd you just make that noise, Old Ben?
Why are you calling me Old Ben?
That's your name, Old Ben Kenobi.
Kind of a hurtful nickname, isn't it?
Well, it's exactly what you are.
Just because something is true, Luke, doesn't mean you should call them that to their face.
Why not, Old Ben Kenobi?
Orphaned Luke. Would you like me to call you that?
No.